Christianity versus Gongjing.
Wow! 1, 2, 3 lang, sir. Huli.
Wow!
Christianity, Christian, dribbling the ball, Christian, dribbling the ball, Christian, dribbling the ball. Tinira, wala, patay na mo. Gongging. Gongging, dribble the ball. Gongging, nya. Christianity. Oh, Christian, papogi. Oh, putang ina, chicken curry. Oh, nawala. Oh, Christianity. Tumira. Look, hindi pa rin. Gongging, dribbling the ball. Gongging, dribbling the ball. Gongging. Gongging. Oink. Gongging, dribbling the ball. Gongging. Oh, ano wala si Christian? Oh, balik pa rin. Depensa ni Christian. Take 2. Gongging, dribbling the ball. Gongging. Pumasok. Wala. Christianity. My girlfriend nagbebenta ng barbecue. Tumira ng egg. Wala pa din. Gongging. Gongging, sinalubog yung February 14. Hindi nakaalis. Pinagalitan. Christianity. Oh, putang ina. Even daw, tumira ng tre. Wala pa rin patay yung lamok. Wala pa rin score yung dalawa. Gongging, dribbling the ball. Gongging. Oh, zero na pala. Gongging. Oh, tangino. Gongging, dribbling the ball. Pumasok si Gongging. Pinaliwa. Patay yung lamok. Patay na rin. 1 all. Christianity, dribbling the ball, tumira ng 3. Free throw pala. Gongging. Tara na, hindi natin alam paano patayin yung ilaw.
Kanta doy. Luko.